Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will be learning how to schedule Instagram Live. First of all, go to your Instagram application and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile picture on the bottom right corner. Now you can see plus icon on top, tap on it and then tap on Live. It will open a camera. Now you can see a calendar icon, tap on it and you will see something like this. Give the name to your live and then select the time you want your live to start at and tap on done. Then you can see schedule live video button on the bottom. Tap on it. Now you can see your live video is scheduled. If you want to share the live, you can tap on share and then it gives you options. Choose any of them or you can tap on share later. Now you are done. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and please do subscribe for similar contents.